Tonight the world goes quiet, but the spine stays vertical. While Maha Shivratri is anchored in Indian culture, it has exploded into a global phenomenon. From all states in India to New York, London to Sydney, millions of Indians and an ever-growing number of non-Indians are staying awake. This isn't just a cultural ritual, it's a massive cross-cultural recognition of a natural energy peak. The Earth doesn't care about your geography, it only cares about your geometry. What happens inside you? Think of tonight as a natural high tide for your nervous system. Due to the unique planetary alignment, there is a natural centrifugal upsurge of energy in the human system. Inside you, the cerebrospinal fluid is being pulled upward toward the brain. If you lie down, you miss the surge. If you stay vertical, you use this cosmic elevator to clear mental blockages and heighten your perception. By tuning into 136 Hertz, the mathematical frequency of Earth's orbit, you are harmonizing your internal antenna to catch this upward wave. We use 136 Hertz because it acts as a sonic key for your biology. This frequency resonates directly with the pineal and pituitary glands, calming the fight or flight centers of the brain and inducing a state of deep, alert neuroplasticity. It's a literal reset for your neural pathways. We will now transition into the meditation. For the next 4 minutes, I invite you to chant the sound Om at your own natural pace. Let the sound roll from your belly, through your heart, and into your head. I will check in with you every minute to keep you present. Adjust your posture now. Ensure your spine is a straight, vertical line. Close your eyes and begin. Grounding. Begin your chant now. Feel the vibration at the base of your spine. You are grounding your energy into the Earth's core. Expansion. Continue at your own pace. Feel the Om rising into your chest. Let your heart space open and expand with the frequency. Elevation. 2 minutes in. Keep your spine erect. Feel the vibration moving into your throat and head. You are clearing the path for the upward surge of energy. Integration. Last minute of chanting. Make each ohm deeper and more resonant. You are now a vertical antenna, perfectly synced with 136.1 Hz pulse of the planet. The stillness. Now, stop all vocal sound. Total silence. Keep your spine perfectly straight. Do not do the meditation. Let the planet meditate through you. In this stillness, feel the resonance still humming within your cells. You are one with the silence. You are one with the void. Gently bring your awareness back to your breath. The stillness you have cultivated tonight is not a temporary state. It is your natural essence. Carry this alignment with you as you move through your night and the days ahead. Thank you for practicing with me and for being part of this global resonance. If you found peace in this session, please share it with anyone who could benefit from this connection. May we all remain awake to the light within.